Well, my pull rope just broke off onto that chainsaw. It's a perfect timing to put a new pull rope in it. So let's see if I could definitely have this repair video on this chainsaw. Putting on the pull rope. Let's see if we could definitely fix this pull cord. When you're changing the broken rope, you don't need to be taking this flywheel off, because that can be very difficult because there's a spring underneath. When you're changing the rope, you don't need to be taking that off. But in this case, I think I might try to repair this rope by sticking it through the hole. I think I may have had an idea to fix that. I don't even have my lighter, but I do got my lighter, but I'll show you how I usually fix it. Be right back. Found me a lighter, and I can definitely put a link on here where you could buy one of these. You don't need to be having this hot for too long because it'll caught on fire. You don't need to be doing this for that long. Just turn the button on that locks it, where you don't accidentally activate it. Maybe just shrink it just a little bit more. When you do this, don't ever touch it because it'll burn you. It'll get awful hot. It'll get awful hot when you touch it. Maybe I could definitely wind this up a little bit more. Depends on how long this rope's gonna last, but I don't think this rope ain't gonna last long. If you're having a hard time doing this, but get you a pair of pliers. You can put your lighter somewhere else, so that way it's not there in front of you. Let's see, where did I put those tiny pliers? I think I may got an idea how to hold this in. I think I may got an idea. Hold on just a minute. Let me see if I got one of them clamps that might clamp it by holding the rope out. Let me go see what I got. Filter. At least I can find somehow to hold this recoil pull rope without letting it go. Oh shoot. Well, anyway, let's get this broken one out of there. There's our broken pull rope. See if I can get it to fish through that hole. It gets aggravating, but when you're changing the rope, you don't need to be taking the special thing, kind of like a flywheel. And there we go. Let's see if we can, let's put it back together and see if it'll start. Which I already had warmed it up already. Put our screwdrivers in. But I did it on the home light Super XL saws before, but it is aggravating this crap, but it gets real aggravating. But I learned how to be careful not to destroy the spring by taking that spring out. If you unscrew the thing off the spring, winding the spring up can be really difficult, and it's not fun. It can be real aggravated. When you're changing pull ropes, you don't need to be taking that thing off, because you will have spring go flying everywhere. But I still got the new pull rope for it, but I don't think I need to be using it. If it breaks again, then I will replace it with a new pull rope in it. Actually, I think I want to try out that new little mini tool that my grandmother gave me for Christmas. This is one of these tools I want to try. Let's see how it works. But this battery is about to go dead in it. I'll get it recharged after a while. Alright, I think it's on there pretty good. Let's give it a try. Hopefully I got the job finished on there. Hopefully it wouldn't break off again. Finally, I think it's fixed. It's all fixed. Hopefully it won't happen again. Well, anyways, there's the repair video on the xtermepower 82100. Anyways, I'll still use that new pull rope. I'll put it back in a toolkit just in case if I need it. In case if it breaks off again. Or on the other saws. Anyways, thank you for watching.